Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am sharing some ideas and tips on how to organize under the bathroom sink space, which in my case is this cabinet just right below the sink you see there. Now, under sink spaces are very challenging because of those pipes cutting through the middle of the space, making it harder to work around. So it's very important to take proper measurements, especially the space below and in front of the pipes before you go shopping for organizers. Now, I lined the space with a cabinet liner. It protects the space from potential scratch damage, spills, and things like that. Now, when you're working with a small under sink like this one, these cabinet organizers are great if you want to utilize the vertical space and put more items in the front. And then I used a non-skid small 9-inch Lazy Susan. It's actually intended for kitchen and pantry, but I think it works just as beautifully in bathroom too. And I placed all my hair related products on it, such as hair oils, sprays, and dry shampoo. And you can see it's a tiny space on the right, yet this 9-inch Lazy Susan spins perfectly. And on the left, I have a little bit more width space, so I got this 2-tier pull-out drawer rack. It comes with these 2 pull-out drawers, and because it's 2-tier, it makes use of the vertical space, which is awesome. I'm using the upper rack to house my face and body items like Castile soap, shea butter, cocoa butter, things like that. I use these when I make my own homemade creams. And then things that I use to make natural face packs or face masks like coffee, dal or orange lentils, activated charcoal, and honey. These are some of the cleanest and cheapest skincare products I used right from my kitchen. If you are curious about recipes for these natural face packs I use, let me know in the comments below. I would be very happy to share. Now, I also like to keep a spare ball to make these face packs. I feel that if everything is here at one place, more chances that I will actually end up applying it on the face, as it's convenient if it's all there at the same place. I use the lower drawer to store my travel kits, things I don't need to get to more frequently. Now, to utilize the space in front of the cabinet organizer on the right, I use this tray from the Dollar Tree to keep my DIY cleaning sprays and fresheners and cleaning cloth. If you want to know how I make these sprays, please feel free to let me know below. I utilize the same side of cabinet wall to hang my cleaning brush with the help of a command hook. Now currently I'm just using the speed blow dryer to style my hair, and I keep it in the drawer. But if you have a few hair stylers, you can use this type of organizer and use the door space to hang it. But since I'm not using any of these stylers these days, so I'm just going to tuck it in the back. And if you want to see how I organized my bathroom drawers or full bathroom organization video, I will link it down below for you guys. And now for the fun part. I get so excited when I use labels. Organization is great as it saves time that's spent on finding lost products and things. But I'm one of those people that thinks if I spent time organizing, I love to make it aesthetically appealing too. So it sparks everyday joy for me, and labeling is certainly one of them. I'm curious to know, does anyone else feel the same way about labels? Let me know. And finally, I'm using glue dots to secure the liner, as I like to bring the liner all the way to the front so that the space under the cabinet door stays protected. Frequent opening and closing of doors can cause scratching on the wood, so this extra step keeps it all protected. And these are just glue dots from the Dollar Tree. So that's it for today's under bathroom sink organization video. Everyone's space is different, but I really hope you got some ideas and inspiration. I've shared in some of my previous videos, I'm not a hoarder on body lotions and stuff, so this setup is perfect for my needs. I really hope you got some ideas. If you did and want to show your support, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.